What's up guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Denis. On my channel I'm gonna do a lot of tech reviews, but also I'm gonna do a lot of vlogs, so stay tuned. Last week, as you can see here, I've got my Amazfit beep, but 1 hour later I've got something else in my mailbox. Whew, let's roll this intro. Here it is. Osmo Mobile 2 is the latest phone gimbal from DJI. But is it good? In the box, when we open it, we can see we are here to help card, some user manual guide, and styrofoam kind box. After we open the box, all we can find inside is the gimbal itself and USB cable. Let's clean up everything what we don't need right now and start with the review. Gimbal feels pretty good, although it's made out of plastic. On the front we can find some buttons. First button is the mode button that acts also as power on and power off button. The second button is for making photos and videos. On the side we have button for zoom in and zoom out, and also we can find here a little joystick. In my previous video I mentioned that many gimbals don't come with mini tripod, and here we are. However, we can live without it. Actually, I've got my own mini tripod. We will balance phone on gimbal, and all you need to do is to put phone inside, and then you need to correctly set up left or right so you get straight line. You need to lock it. Let's see. That's it. Let's turn it up. Here we go. Okay guys, that's all. See you in the next video. Oh no, I'm just kidding. We are not finished yet. What makes this gimbal so special is its app. In the app on the left side we have a few buttons. First button, change modes from video to photo and vice versa. Second button, we can choose from normal recording to time-lapse, to hyperlapse recording and to motion time-lapse recording. The third button is for swapping cameras from front to back and vice versa. But also we can swap in cameras if we press on the mode button 3 times. And the last button is for gallery. Near the gallery you will find small square. If you press on it, you can select the object or person to follow. On the right side, first button is the home button, and you don't want to press it. Second button is for camera video resolution, beauty mode, white balance, flash and grid. Third button is for choosing scene mode, where we can choose between walking and running. And the last button is for settings. Okay guys, let's go outside and do some test shots. Time for B-roll. Play that music. Okay, we are back. So what do I think about Osmo Mobile 2? It is good, but there is plenty of room that this device can be upgraded. However, who am I to judge? Let me know in the comments below if you own any phone gimbal and how you use it at most. If you however enjoyed this video, please press the like button. And for more videos like this, don't forget to press on the subscribe button. Also press on the bell button so you can get notified every time when I upload new video. See you in the next video. Peace!